Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video is slightly different because we're not actually travelling anywhere, but we're actually cooking instead, if you can call it that. It's not actually putting anything in the cooker, but we're making Mickey Mouse Rice Krispy Treats. We've never done this before, but we loved them in Walt Disney World. We were hooked as soon as we got them. We got quite a few of them. So before we start, this is what you'll need: 55 grams of unsalted butter,
300 grams of mini marshmallows,
150 grams of Rice Krispie cereal,
and then whatever toppings you want to add on.
So obviously you will need a Mickey shaped cutter for this. I'm sure you'll be able to get one on Amazon. I'm sure they'll be quite cheap to come by. We did get ours from, it was like a subscription.
Baking.
Yeah, like
magazine.
Yeah. And we didn't actually subscribe to it. It was just like the first couple. So it actually came with the Mickey cutter, and it's not quite a full circle on the bottom, but that's because I think it's supposed to be like for like shortbreads and stuff like that. So that's why you have like an imprint of Mickey, which we're not going to use. We're just going to use this. So first off, we are cutting the unsalted butter. Luckily on this one, it has got on it like the how much it is. So it's 55. So it's just over there. Start off by melting the unsalted butter, and then you're ready to add the.
No, we've got to wait for this to all melt first.
All right, okay.
And then we put the marshmallows in after.
That just shows how much I know. The chef over here. Just call her Remy. The marshmallows. It's not a brand deal with Asda, but it's okay. Start mixing it up a bit before I add some more. We'll be right back.
Take it off the heat.
Take it off the heat, and then
Rice Krispies.
get them poured in, boy.
Well,
Oh,
bit by bit might be easier.
just want to point out that this is the first time we've actually done this, so we're learning as we're doing it, aren't we? But yeah, I already found it's easier to put in bit by bit rather than all at the same time. Right, so I'm going to keep on turning this. Emily, are you going to line the tray for me?
Okay, perfect. What are we doing now?
So now we're going to empty all of this into a tray that Emily prepared earlier. So I did say that it was going to be lined with greaseproof paper, but we read the instructions like you should, and you don't need that, just some butter apparently. So let's see how it goes. It's like ASMR, this sounds like that. I hope you're enjoying it.
Okay, now once you've flattened it all out into the tray.
We did find that the best way to do this was to cover your hands in water and then just go at it, because the spoon was sticking, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So.
And then once you've done that, just pop it into the fridge for an hour to set.
So we let it set for an hour, and it looks like it's set alright actually. So we don't think it's going to make that many from the batch that we've actually done. So because of these being so big, so we think it might do about 3, and if we squish it all together, it might do 4. Do you think?
Maybe.
So at the moment, we think we're going to melt some white chocolate and cover the Mickey shapes in the chocolate, and then probably put some Smarties on it, but we don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. How are you finding it?
Hard.
Oh, oh, oh.
There we go.
So we've managed to get 4. We only thought we'd get 3, but luckily we managed to get 4, so 2 each. And now it's the tedious task of somehow getting all of the excess off. So fun times. So we actually managed to get 6 Rice Krispy Treats out of that one batch. Somehow we just used all the offcuts and sort of rolled them back into a flat shape. So now we are melting some white chocolate, which we're going to put on top of around half of them, and then we have got some dark chocolate, orange chocolate, which we're going to put on the other one, the other half of them, and then we're going to put some Smarties on maybe.
Yeah, on the white chocolate ones.
So we've got all this white chocolate and the Smarties, and we're just going to cover one side of the Mickey faces. And sort of, I think if we're going to do like that, what do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
See how much we've got left after we're doing this. Time to put the Smarties on. So we're just covering one side, whereas the ones in Disney World actually cover the whole thing. But I just thought, you know, for the first time, we don't really need to cover the whole thing. Plus, this is our own sort of unique twist on it, because we've got the white chocolate on there.
Time to put them in the fridge. Time for chocolate number 2.
So for this one, we are using, I'll get it from here. It's
it's all melted on me.
it's a Bourneville orange, dark chocolate orange.
It's got orange pieces in it, look.
Ooh, exciting. So yeah, our hope with this one is that it's, you know, slightly different to the white chocolate, and we'll be able to sort of give Mickey some ears, a bit like Emily's rose gold ones. Just covering one of Mickey's ears with this dark chocolate. It's got these weird like bits in it. Don't know. So these are the finished products. Quite proud of them, to be honest. I think they look quite nice. I think they're going to taste quite nice as well. So guys, thank you for watching our first sort of baking tutorial kind of video. It was very different for us to kind of film this instead of talking to a camera in a theme park. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, we're Traveling Magical. We do vlogs from Disney primarily. We have got obviously Universal as well. But yeah, check it all out. It'll be all in the description. And click subscribe, because that helps out a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll see you in the next one.